How to earn money online with dropshipping, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with dropshipping as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now we're going to first off cover the basics of dropshipping. After that, I will give you guys some of my personal tips and tricks. I have used this to build a successful dropshipping business that is going to be largely scalable because you don't want to get fixated at a certain income, you want to expand your business, and you want recurring sales. So I have a few tips for you guys to be able to do that as well. Now, the first thing you need to do is to build your website. Now, there are other platforms that you can sell on or dropship on. However, building your own website is definitely going to be the most reliable. So for that, you can use Shopify or Wix, whichever one you prefer. Shopify is definitely the platform of my recommendation. It is optimized for e-commerce. It has a bunch of different templates you can get started with. You can connect multiple different dropshipping suppliers as well as build your e-commerce store in a very customizable fashion. So for that, I do recommend Shopify as your primary e-commerce platform builder. However, if you don't want to get started with Shopify because Shopify is not available for free, you do have to pay a certain amount to get started with Shopify. However, they do give you a 14-day free trial and there is no credit card required, so you can get started with it for free. You can test it out, and if you like it, you can choose to pay. If you don't like it, then you can simply cancel or, just wait for the subscription to end. You don't have to provide any card info, but I do recommend Shopify as your builder for your e-commerce business if you're looking to do this long term. After that, you have to choose a supplier. So you can find multiple different suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping, and other platforms as well. And the thing that I recommend to most people is to make sure that your supplier is vetted and trustable. You want to be able to negotiate a timely delivery of your product to your customers, and that should be the largest focus of your product and of your supplier because you want to be able to provide a good shipping time as well as a good product time as well as a good product to your customers. So make sure to keep that in mind whenever you're looking to find a specific dropshipping supplier. Now, you have Alibaba, AliExpress, those two are very widely popular and you can easily find good suppliers over there. However, you also have platforms like CJ Dropshipping, which are specifically made for dropshipping. You have Salehu and other platforms like BigCommerce and other platforms as well that have dropshipping suppliers available. Now, I do think that you can find good suppliers on Alibaba with the cheapest prices. I don't think in terms of pricing, you're going to find better pricing on any other platform. But for other features like simple listing systems and vetted suppliers and the time that you're going to be saving, I do think that you can check out some of these other product supplying websites as well. Plus, these websites often have warehouses in the United States or in other countries as well, which can usually reduce the time that it takes for the product to reach the customer, which can be an amazing feature that could help your business a lot. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to advertise your business, where a lot of people are lacking in terms of dropshipping. If you want your product to stand out right now, you need to be able to market it in an effective manner. And that is very essential. If it does not, then you're going to become one of those failed businesses because there is a saturation in dropshipping. And I'm not saying that it's not going to be successful. But if you want it to be successful, you need to make sure that you're offering good prices and you have a good marketing strategy. So for your marketing strategy, what I recommend is use Canva to create different posters. And it's simple and easy. It's not complicated at all. So let's say I have a Facebook ad. And you can see over here, you can take a look at these templates. These are simple and easy, and you can use these templates as a basic formula to get started with your own ads. You can see over here, this is like a basic little ad template, and you can add your own product images instead. There are several other templates that you can get started with to build your own ad posters. The first thing is to have good posters, good imagery of your product. And I will give you guys some other tips later on with how to get those better pictures from your suppliers as well. After that, use platforms like remove.bg to remove backgrounds and create those background removed images so that your product looks more professional. It gives a lot chicer of a look to your product. Then, I often recommend to people to ask for custom images. So you can easily I will log on to my account over here, and you can easily talk to suppliers and negotiate deals with them, and you can easily negotiate a lower price. So I recommend that you always try to negotiate a lower price with your supplier. So you can see over here, first off, if I contact any of these people, they will tell you all the information. So make sure you're like, hi, I want to add your product and I want to begin a dropshipping business. Could you give me a 10% discount? Could you give me a 15% discount? This could be a very large contributor to your business. It could really help your business in expanding when you're able to get that initial 5 to 10% discount for yourself, and then you can list it at a lower price than your competitors and provide it at a lower price. This is a super effective way and it is easily negotiable. A lot of the times people go onto these supplier pages and they just take the price as what it is because it is so much lower than the standard pricing that they are usually, used to. However, if you are not negotiating a lower price, then you're getting a loss because you can easily get like a 5% discount on the product. So make sure to do that as well. The next thing that you need to do is, if you are not able to get sales on your e-commerce business on your own website, go to Amazon. And Amazon is such an amazing platform for drop shipping. You can drop ship so many different items, and Amazon prices are so inflated in comparison to the supplier prices. So I recommend getting started with Amazon drop shipping as an alternative to your basic website. So do create your own website. However, do create your own Amazon store and sell your products on Amazon as well. Plus, if you can negotiate a custom packaging offer with your suppliers, make sure to negotiate that as well to give your products a more premium feel. The next thing you have to do whenever you are looking to build your dropshipping business is to be able to commit to certain product default or product issues. If any of your products have issues, make sure that you're the one taking responsibility. Don't talk about dropshipping to your customers. Make sure you're getting good reviews and good, customer, because your main purpose is to provide customer service. So make sure you're providing good customer service and interacting with your customers in the most nicest fashion to be able to get them to purchase again and again from your store. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And to wrap it all up, once you have done all of this, you need to do keyword research. Keyword research is so essential, and I recommend, for just simplification, there is this Chrome web extension called Keywords Everywhere, Keywords Tool. This is the extension that I highly recommend to anyone that is looking to rank high. And just add this extension to Chrome. You will be able to see the different keywords that people are searching for, and just add those keywords to your website as well as to your Amazon product description to further help the SEO optimization of your product as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.